A field of bobbing colors awakens my eyes. I see a world I've never seen before.
I feel the scaly wing of a dragon pickling my leg.
I hide under a tree where a
tall, angry odor can't find me. I envision
the future beyond and above.
And I wonder how did I get here?
I run faster than a teacher. I run faster than any car. My head spins like that machine, the one in the woodwork class in college.
It's energy pushing me forward. My adventures end up in a cave. A red shiny stone piques my interest.
My curious brain picks up the stone and a flash
of light is all I see. I'm back in bed, safe and sound. I found my way home. Home is home. Home is my home.